All right, everyone, this is day 2. What's this? Day 2 of doing the Flutter app. I at least want to get 1 hour in. If not, maybe like 40 minutes, like how I did. Something. I don't want to pass a day without doing this. So let's start. Open up our VS Code. Should be on the same app again. Be like Jesus app. Got Flutter running last time we did the stream. So today we're gonna be messing around with widgets like column, row, and container. Trying to create, our first layout from scratch. Go ahead and do the Flutter run command. Make sure you spell things right. Two. Oh, my bad, guys. Let me switch to the scene. There you go. Boom. Stay there, but that's fine. Go ahead and do something. So we're in the main.dart file. All right. So being here, move the counter logic. So we got the counter logic. Let's go look for that. Delete the int initiate counter. That. Where are you? Right here. And increment counter function from my homepage state. Oh. It's empty. Ding, ding, ding. Okay. You can also delete the floating action button and just clean it up so it's ready for your new layout. Oops. I'll start like that. Replace the body with your first layout. Body centers right here. Child. Column is also a layout widget. It takes a list of children and arranges them vertically. By default, it sizes itself to fit its children horizontally and tries to be as tall as its parent. Column has various properties to control how it sizes itself and how it positions its children. Here we use main axis alignment to center the children vertically. The main axis here is the vertical axis because columns are vertical. The cross axis could be horizontal. Try this. Invoke debug painting. Choose the toggle debug paint action in the console to see the wireframe for each widget. It's crazy. Okay. Wow. Whoa. That's crazy. Holy. Floating action button. Oh, this is the floating action button. Okay. So we're gonna change everything to be like this instead. Interesting. Welcome to day 2 of Flutter. Let me know when you're ready for one. Okay, so we're doing here. Go ahead and save. Refresh this. Still running this. How would we? Trying to see now how we push this new code that we just wrote. What are the problems here? One problem in this file. Where is it? Why are my problems not showing here? Line 100. Is that what I want? You're missing the closing curly brace. Okay. I thought I had. Oh, we need another one. Right. Wait, no. Check the method. Get it. Set it. Line 6. What? Now what? What's going on here? $9.99. What's going on? Okay. Use this when you change code inside functions like yeah. Where's that at? Wait a second. I'm gonna do this. Maybe we can fix this errors. Okay. We can use ChatGPT here to fix our code. I don't know what's going on here. Blah, blah, blah. There's an extra bracket after main. Then, and you're missing the final closing brace at the bottom of my homepage. Class. So we need another brace. There you go. There you go. That's it. Okay. So what were you saying about this? ChatGPT was saying something about use this hot reload faster, used for UI and logic updates. How? In VS Code, click the hot reload lightning icon, or in terminal, press R. Line 6. First, what are you talking about? Unable to find suitable Visual Studio toolchain. Yeah, there's something weird going on here. What? Alright. Let's just exit that, right? And let's just hit Flutter run. Let's do 2 on a Chrome. Cute. Stack. Okay, we got the whole Flutter demo title. Let's change this here. New. Right. Change that. Got this going on. Let's run it again and see. Yeah. Oh, what happened? Oh, there it is. He likes uses that. Oh, right here, this is this title. This is a child column, cross-axis alignment, children. Change the font. What would be the color? Icons. Icon star, icon favorite, icon light bulb. Interesting. This is for the container. Container. Where's the Flutter demo thing at? Right here. Change the color. Change the color to So how would I be able to, let's say, change the whole entire background? Alright. I think we're getting it. Let's go ahead and now. Ready for this craziness? I'm gonna jump ahead. We're going to I just like oh. Okay. And this extract. Do this here. PC local. We did that. Holy crap, what did we do? Oh, let's do something. What happens if we do this? Update the pub spec YAML file to bump the SDK constraint so it's compatible with Dart 3. Open pub spec.yaml. Okay. Look for this line environment. Change it to okay. Save the file, then run this in terminal. They already ran it, huh? Are you serious? Find and delete or comment out this line. In pub stack YAML. Change app package. Is it? You son of a. Because Firebase starter depends on change app package names and any which doesn't exist. Could not find package. How do we do this? Gone. Oh, this is not good. Thought I was gonna be able to do something like this. Okay. We're here. This is already changed. That, okay. Remove or replace change app package name compatible with no safety. Since it's not critical for running the app, let's remove it for now. Oh, many Firebase package versions listed are too old and not null safe. We'll upgrade all to null safe versions from Flutter Fire. Update. Now run this in your terminal. Okay, so now we need to replace Flutter Swiper. Flutter Swiper. Here. It's already that. With Card Swiper. Oh, dude. Okay. And then in your Dart files, replace Dude, how many freaking Dart files are there? They're all Dart files. Oh, yeah. Package Flutter Swiper. Oh. It's still not gonna work, watch. So I have to update almost. Okay. I have to fix this whole entire project. Okay, we're doing Flutter SVG. Flutter SVG, Flutter SVG, Flutter. Right here. Oh, right here. So this needs to be changed to this. But this project is still trying to use the old version, probably because of a cached pubspec lock file or a leftover pubspec dependency override in another file. Delete the lock file to force fresh resolution. Okay, then get the packages again. I still don't think it's gonna work. Yep. Oh my goodness. You're doing great. This is one of the last big blockers. The package Flutter auth buttons, right here, is also abandoned and does not support null safety. Replace Flutter auth buttons with a modern alternative. The best choice is sign in button. Sign in button. Okay. Later in the Dart files. Okay, yeah. Later, I'll do that later. But for now, let's run the Flutter pub get. Save the file. Still failed. That means the project is still referencing an old version of Firebase messaging. Oh my. Wait a second. Bro. Let me just copy my whole entire freaking. Right, so apparently this is the new one. Fix. I thought you. There. Where is that? Okay. You're manually setting Intel, but Flutter's own Flutter localizations requires Intel, so it's overriding it. Update your Intel version to match Flutter's pinned version. Where the hell is Intel at? Oh, right here. So we need to set it to 20. 20.2. That. Wait. Is it working? Wait a second. Now, copy this. Flutter pub get. Okay. Now, Flutter run. Let's do 2. Son of a gun. What is that? Are all those things breaking? I'll take a power application. Holy crap. Whole project is broken. What? This is a massive error dump, but don't worry. The root causes fall into 3 categories. Holy crap. Outdated or removed packages. These must be fully removed and replaced. Firebase helpers no longer maintained. Flutter swiper already replaced with card swiper. We need to remove all imports and usages. These outdated packages from the code base and replace them. Outdated code not compatible with null safety. Example issues. Missing required keyword for non-nullable parameters. Old Flutter widgets, raised button, flat button, outline button should be replaced with elevate button, text button, outline button. API and logic broken by Flutter Fire updates. Why would they do all these updates to destroy? Destroy the whole entire project. Oh shoot. Oh. So many errors. By the way, hide any API keys. Oh shoot. Did not show on stream. People can use your keys and you get charged. Might be in the wrong folder. No. This is me trying to dump in a whole project like a template, and apparently the whole thing is outdated. Like Flutter has updates, Firebase has updates, and they don't use any of the stuff that this project uses. So I basically have to go in and manually fix the whole entire code for all the files because it's using outdated like widgets and a bunch of stuff. So this is gonna be a pain. At this point, I don't even know if it's better just to write the code from scratch. Like, holy crap. I thought I was just gonna be able to, you know, dump it in there and start using it and edit it to what I want it to look like or do. Yeah, but updating the dependencies and stuff, I have to do it manually. I supposedly fixed this file, which is where it grabs everything from. But then you have the main dart file, and then you're gonna have to fix where it imports stuff. So it's importing old stuff. And then apparently like they call like different widgets and stuff in the code itself that are no longer supported by Flutter. Well, okay. This is me testing the capabilities of being able to just grab something and dumping it in from GitHub. So I got this whole thing from GitHub. So I was just messing around to see if it's even possible for me to put it into VS Code and just start working on it. But apparently it's way more complicated than that. Because now everything is currently outdated. Like this template I thought would be able to, you just dump it in here, you go to the main dart file and you hit Flutter run and it has something running already, but it doesn't. Yeah, like test prod. Well, you're saying, I did you modify all the code and test, and then you changed prod. Prod would be whatever it's working. Well, okay. Well, the whole thing was that I thought, okay, this template, boom, I put it into VS Code and I can hit run, and then whatever they had coded already, it runs. But it's not. It's not running. Outdated. It's using old stuff. Like how long ago? See something? Let me see. So this is it. This was. Does it tell you when it was posted? How long ago? It doesn't say. Oh, right here, 5 years ago. So it's 5 years old. Oh. Yep. Flutter. None of this. Start from scratch. You will learn more. Well, I also learned by reading. That's how I learned how to write HTML. Is I would just go to the page source of websites and read it and edit it and stuff like that. And I'll change things around just to see what it does. All right, well, I'm already done with this, so I'm not gonna keep going. I think I've had enough. Change of plans. I'm gonna be doing something new the next stream.